In Telangana, electioneering reached its peak with only 3 days remaining for the campaigning before the May 13 polling. President Draupadi Murmu will present the Padma Awards at the second civil investiture ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi today. The Indian Council of Medical Research has released an upgraded dietary guidelines for Indians to suit the modern eating habits of 2024. Defense Secretary Giridhar Aramani has stressed that self-reliance is crucial for the infrastructure development in the defense sector as the country cannot depend on others. Air India Express has terminated 25 of its senior crew members in case related with the cancellations of dozens of flights.